Hello guys, my name is Jude Chong and I am a balloon artist and kids entertainer from the land below the wind. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a balloon dog. So, are you guys ready? Let's go! Yes, I'm here! Woo! Today we are here at Taman Awam Teluk Likas, one of the places that you can visit here in Borneo, and it has 12,000 step jogging track. Woo! Well, let's go and find a spot to start our balloon tutorial. Hi guys, so this is the spot for us to do our balloon tutorial. So let's get started. So to make a balloon dog, we need of course your balloon pump, right? And then your 260 balloon, okay? Alright, 260 balloon, alright? What does it mean? So let's ask the balloon scientist. Alright, let's go back to the lab. Woo!
Hi, I'm the balloon scientist. So, you want to know what is 260? Alright, so basically we have this balloon here called 260. Why does it call 260? Because when we inflate the balloon, when we inflate the balloon up to here, it's 60 inches. And then from here to here, the wide is 2 inch, so that's why it is called 260. Alright, signing off. Bye.
Thank you very much, balloon scientist, for the explanation. So grab your 260 balloon, alright, and then put the nozzle, okay, put the nozzle on the tip of the balloon pump. And then for this tutorial we are going to pump about 6 pump, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to release a bit of air so we can have a space to tie the balloon. Alright? So step number 1 is you make about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble and then you twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so for the ear of the balloon dog, make about another 4 finger bubble. Yeah, and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you match it. Okay, you match it, and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you lock twist. Alright, so for the neck of the balloon dog, you make about 3 finger bubble, 1, 2, 3, and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and then the next one is for the leg of the dog. You make about 4 finger bubble. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you match it, and then you twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you lock twist 1, 2. So we get this. Alright, so for the body of the balloon dog, we make about 4 finger bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we twist here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we match it. Once we match it, and then we twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we lock twist. Ta-da! Yes, our balloon dog is completed, right? So guys, so that's about it for today. Right, so if you like this balloon tutorial, okay, please leave a comment at the comment box down below. And then yeah, if this is your first time to come to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking at the subscribe button, click at the bell, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get a notification when I upload a new video. That's it for today, guys. Okay, and see you in my next video. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.